Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In the previous videos, we have discussed about divisibility rules versus long division and their applications. We have also discussed about the number system. Also discussed about decimals. In this video, we are going to learn about what are factors, factors definition based on multiplication, and factors definition based on divisibility. So, please stay tuned till the end. Now, let us understand factors definition based on multiplication. The definition says that factors of a number are integers that multiply together to give that number. Got it? Let us try to understand this definition with an example. Let us find factors of 8. We know that 1 multiplied by 8 gives you 8 as the product. Also, 2 multiplied by 4 gives you 8 as the product. Now, observe the definition. Factors of a number are integers that multiply together to give that number. Got it? Here, 1 and 8 are integers that multiply together to give 8. So, according to the definition, 1 and 8 are factors of 8. Got it? Similarly, here 2 and 4 are integers that multiply together to give 8. So, according to the definition, 2 and 4 are factors of 8. Got it? Now, the question is, are there any other integers that multiply together to give 8 as the product? The answer is no. These are the only two pairs of integers that multiply together to give 8 as the product. Got it? So, the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Got it? Thank you. Now, let us conclude the definition of factors based on multiplication. The definition says that factors of a number are integers that multiply together to give that number. So, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Got it? Again, factors of a number are integers that multiply together to form that number. So, factors of 30 are 2, 3 and 5. Got it? But remember, these are not only the factors of 30. Do not worry, we will learn how to find all factors of a given number in detail later. At the end, let us take a question. Are multiplicand and multiplier both factors of the product? Why? Yes, both the multiplicand and the multiplier are factors of the product. Because in multiplication, we are going to get the product after multiplying the multiplicand and the multiplier. Now, observe the definition of factors. Factors of a number are integers that multiply together to give that number. Here, the multiplicand and the multiplier are two integers being multiplied to get the product. So, they are both considered as factors of the product. Got it? Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.